Happy Sunday, everyone. Come pack an order with me. So one of my ACEO trio sets sold. That stands for Art Cards, Editions, and Originals. I've had a few questions about that. That just means they are very tiny. They're 2.5 by 3.5. And they're kind of like artist trading cards. You can purchase these. Mine start at like $2 to $5 for singles. They go up to $20 for my trios, which is what this person purchased. And artists purchase them from each other a lot just to show mutual support, which is what happened in this case. So I will tag her down below. She is extremely talented, but let's get to packing, and I'm really excited because I get to use my new packing materials. Okay, Rachel, if you don't want to see anything else as to what is in your order, this is your chance to scroll away. So this is what she ordered, a little mini set of the ACEO cards, 2.5 by 3.5. She said she already has a place for these, so I can't wait to see it. She says she's going to send me pictures. And I'm very excited to use my new packaging, so let me show you what is included. I'm going to pack everything up and we'll do finishing touches. So I always like to include the option to seal and wax to make your watercolor paintings waterproof, and I've got instructions there. I don't like to go ahead and do that for a few reasons. I like to make sure it's safe in the mail. It really does dull the shine. So like these clouds up here are, pearlescent clouds. And so I wanted to give her that option. She said she may just frame it. So yeah, so there's that. So wax. And then a little note that has instructions for her on how to apply the wax. I then am excited to use my new bubble mailers. I got these in 3 sizes. I'm going to have to get some more sizes, my larger sizes, because these weren't quite as big as I thought, but I will be using all 3 of these sizes. I mean, come on. If you know me, this makes sense, okay? That's all I'm going to say about that. So that, and then for a little fun extra, I'm going to do stickers. I always love to do stickers. I eventually will be creating my own stickers, but these ones are just from Amazon. And I got these little bags to go, with the bubble mailers, just so it kind of looks cohesive. And I like these little pouches for the stickers because they are clear in the front, so you can see what you're getting. So I'm doing those little translucent mushrooms. I'm going to do this little bottle. And then I picked this one out specifically for her because obviously she likes cats. So here's a little cat in what I'm going to assume is like boba or something. Okay. So that. And then to actually package it to make sure it's safe, I've got a very hard piece of cardboard and foam over top. So I'm going to place these inside, face down, and tape it together. And then from there, I will pack everything else up and show you the finishing touch.